What's up, YouTube? I'm back on another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my grilled cheese. Cause today I didn't know what video to do, but now I know. So right now I don't put it on the stove. I toast the bread and then I put it in the microwave. Cause I don't like doing it on the stove. So right now it's in the toaster right now. I gotta fan it because our smoke detector is sensitive and it be going off. So that's really, and this get hot fast. So that's why I'm fanning it. This can't. Why you look at the camera like that? It's for YouTube. Huh? Good. Watch it be better tomorrow. Watch it be better tomorrow. I'm not sick anymore. You just sick. Oh my God. Huh? Call Liana? You said, did I call Liana? Oh. I don't want to use the sliced bread because then it's going to make it nasty. I'll put all that cheese on there. Why don't you just spit it out? I'm just put this whole thing on there. That's not in my mouth. Hey, sure. A fire, bro. Quite love. How long should I put it in here, Kayla? Kayla, how long should I put it in? 1 minute? Now we wait. Why does I put the other one? Because I'm getting to go. I don't got a lot of time. So that's why is it all coming out like that? Yeah, I lied. I never did this before. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'm done. I ain't have enough time really, cause on my videos I want to do 10 minutes. I'm turning this light, cause this lighting is big. Alright, that's better. So my videos only can be what you want? What you want? You wanna get out? That's what you want? You're doing too much. Alright, that's how I was saying, cause my videos only could be 10 minutes. I'm thankful for my friends. Alright, my videos only can be 10 minutes, and right now it's 6 minutes. But look at this. You probably can't see it, but I smashed it down a little bit. It's so dark. I smashed it down a little bit so it can look, down. But my brother did this before. What you threw up? Nasty. My brother did this. That's why I asked him. But how long I should put it on. But this is how the cheese start coming out. Come here, fat boy. Alright, that's the end of the video. My Instagram is going to be in the description down below. So go follow me. And I might put my TikTok down there. So just check in the description down below. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.